a little bit of the door frame missing there, so I'm going to clean those edges up and glue in a new bit. That's quite a good match for the base colour. The browns I'll put on next with pigments in the polish. Initially I thought there would have been a back splat on the bottom of this. There's a couple of pinholes there, but they're not really enough to hold one on, and there's no shadow. And the more I think about it, the less likely I think there would have been one on. I did draw one up. So this is what I drew up. The centre resembles these bits down the side and across the middle, but the more I look at it, the less convinced I am that it had anything at all, so we're going to leave it with nothing. I have some great news. A viewer has very kindly sent me this image of the same clock. Thanks Shane, much appreciated. There are some slight differences, but it does show me that this bottom piece is carved and it's at the front and not a splat at the back, which just shows you when you try and invent things, make things up, you can be miles out, as I was here, which is why I don't like doing it that way. I'd sooner know exactly what's missing and make it. Finials are wrong, the top finial's different, although this one could be correct because this was off another clock. It was a table version of this, so it is sort of right, but I will probably can't make one of those anyway, just see what it's like. The reason I wasn't so sure about this one is because it has a flat base to it on a curved top, but that one's the same, so it must be okay. Some of the differences are this chevron thing, this shallow fluting goes around, is all in the same direction on that one, and this one's a mirror image. Looks better there actually. This fretwork is carved on that one. This one has double doors with a bit of carving on. That's a single plain door. These top pieces are semicircles on this one and a square on that. So there's loads of little differences, but that's quite common with cuckoo clocks. They never seem to make the same thing twice, even if it's the same model. This does have a model number, and it is number 254, and it's a BHAR, so that's all good news. So I will have to start drawing this up. I'll get back on the drawing board, make a pattern for all the missing bits, and start again virtually. A lot of it's okay, all this bit around here is fine. And the side door, there's a lot of work in that, so that's no problem. These are not that big a deal. So I'll turn some new ones, turn a new top one, make this carving, and I'll bring you that as soon as I can.